In this video, I will show you how to safely update your Android app by checking a few important settings first. Open the Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and find the option of Settings. Tap on that. Here, tap on the option of General. Now tap on Account and Device Preferences. Here, scroll down and find the option of Leave Beta Programs. Go ahead and tap on that. Then tap on the Leave option. Now, if you were enrolled in any beta programs, you're going to leave that. Next, head back. Now tap on Network Preferences, then tap on App Download Preference. Here you want to select the option of Over Wi-Fi Only or Ask Me Every Time. Make sure you select any of these two options, then tap on OK. Next, find the option of Auto Update Apps. Tap on that. This one as well, you want to select the option of Update Over Wi-Fi Only. Or you can also select the option of Don't Auto Updates app. Once that is done, head back. Now scroll down and find the option of About. Tap on that. Here, find the option of Update Play Store. Go ahead and tap on that and make sure that you're using the latest version of the Play Store app. Once that's done, return back to the Play Store home screen. Here, find the profile icon. Tap on that. Now find the option of My Apps and Games. Now tap on Updates Available. Here tap on the Update All option to install the latest versions of your app. That's how you can safely update Android apps while checking important settings first. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.